To access Pro Capture mode on your OM-5, press the OK button on the back of the camera to open the Super Control panel. Use the arrow pad to navigate to the sequential shooting settings and press OK. Now use the arrow pad to navigate to Pro Capture High or Pro Capture Low. In Pro Capture mode, when you press the shutter button halfway down, your camera will continuously buffer images to its memory, allowing you to capture a moment just before you even press the shutter fully. To adjust the Pro Capture mode settings further, press Menu and go to the cog symbol, C1 and select L or H settings. Press right and select Pro Cap, press right again, and here you can change the maximum frames per second, the pre-shutter frames, and the frame count limiter to your liking.